Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay in installments using ShopPay. If you have seen the option at checkout but weren't sure how it works, don't worry. I'll explain everything from what ShopPay actually is to how you can split your payments into easy installments. Let's get into it. Shopware is Shopify's fast and secure checkout system. You might have seen it on website powered by Shopify, like online clothing stores or small business sites. But there's the cool part, Shopware also gives you the option to buy now and pay later, either in for interest-free payments or monthly installments, depending on the amount on your eligibility. Is powered by a partner called Affirm, so everything is legit, secure, and transparent. Now let's talk about how to actually use ShopPay to pay in installment. Shop from a supported store. Go to any online store that offers ShopPay as a payment option. Not every store supports installments, so make sure you see Pay in for or installments with ShopPay at checkout. Add items to your cart. Once you have found what you want, add it to your cart and head to checkout. When you get to the payment options, choose ShopPay and you will be directed to a secure checkout screen. If this purchase is eligible, you will see an option to split your payment either into for interest-free bi-weekly payments or monthly payments with interest depending on the total amount. ShopPay will ask a few quick details like your phone number and verify your identity. It may do a soft credit check, but this won't affect your credit score. So you see the breakdown of your payment plan, how much you paid today and when the future payment are due. If everything looks good, then just tap confirm and you are done. Your first payment is transferred right away and the rest are automatically deducted based on the schedule. You can manage your payment schedule and view upcoming payments by logging in at shop.app or using the Shop app on your phone. Make sure your card has enough funds on payment days to avoid late fees. You can also pay off your balance early with no penalties. And that's it. Now you know how to use ShopPay or to split your payments into manageable installments. Super simple, super smooth, and perfect if you want to shop smart. If this helped you out, give your video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips.